Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you've probably heard about USDT, a stablecoin that's pegged to the US dollar, making it a safe haven for your funds. Today, I'm walking you through a simple, step-by-step guide on how to convert your USD to USDT right on Binance US. This is perfect if you're looking to trade without the wild price swings of other cryptocurrencies. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have a verified Binance US account. If you don't, head over to their website and sign up. It's quick and essential for security. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Wallet section. This is where all your assets are managed. Look for the Convert or Trade tab. It's usually front and center. Next, select USD from your available balances. You'll see an option to convert it to USDT. Enter the amount you want to convert. Start small if you're new to this. Binance US will show you any fees involved, so keep an eye on that to avoid surprises. In 2025, fees are typically low, but they can vary based on market conditions. Hit the Confirm button and double-check everything. You'll get a confirmation prompt, and once approved, your USD will be swapped for USDT almost instantly. Head back to your wallet to verify the conversion. Your USDT should now be in your account, ready for trading or holding. A few quick tips. Always enable two-factor authentication to keep your account secure, and remember that USDT is great for stability, but crypto markets can still be unpredictable. If you're converting a large amount, consider the current market rates. And there you have it. That's how you convert USD to USDT on Binance US in 2025. It's straightforward once you know the steps, and it opens up a world of crypto opportunities. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.